My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called Byee. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and then appends a special Byee extension additionally to the file names. As a result, it is then impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then instructs the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And so these are the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and this is the message that you see, that Windows can't open this type of file. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. So don't pay it. Don't waste the money. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. And I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan and the program will begin scanning, researching and investigating the system. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium. In this way, you can request free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about ways to possibly recover your files that got infected by this Byee ransomware.